All right, lesson 15.7, selling price, markup based on cost. Your objective today is to compute the selling price based on cost and markup rate. Markup equals cost times markup rate on cost. Selling price equals cost plus markup. Pretty simple lesson for today. Go ahead and get this copied down, press pause while you're doing so, and play to resume. All right, let's go ahead and let's move on. Example 1. Reinhardt Jewelry Stores buy silver earrings for $28.45 a pair. The retail price is computed by adding a markup of 160% of the cost. What is the retail selling price? Okay, well, if our markup's 160% of the cost, we multiply this times 1.6. All right? So $28.45 times 1.6, and we get 1.6 by moving the decimal 2 places in the 160%, and we get 45.52 is our markup. Take 28.45 plus 45.52, and you have your selling price, which is $73.97. All right? Pretty simple. Let's go ahead. Let's look at 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right? Press pause. Take a couple minutes to work these out. Shouldn't take you very long. Press play to resume. Okay, so let's work these out. Number 1, it says a boxwood shrub costs $50. Markup is 70%, so times it by 0.7. 50 times 0.7 is 35. 35 plus 50 is $85. Okay? Number 2, table is 140. Markup is 150%, so times it by 1.5. 140 times 1.5 is 210. 210 plus 140 is 350. Number 3, pair of shoes is $89 times our markup of 65% is $57.85 plus the $89 cost is $146.85. And number 4, shelves are $199 times 80% is $159.20. Whoops, not times, plus $199, and you get $358.20 for the selling price. Okay? Pretty easy. Now, example 2 says this says the handmade furniture store operates on a 215% markup based on the cost. The markup on the store's Adirondack chair is $123.81. Find the A, cost, and B, the selling price. Okay. Well, we know how much the markup is, and we know the percent of the markup. What we don't know is our cost. So we're going to let X equal cost. Okay. And now if we do our markup rate times the cost, we get our markup. So 2.15 X equals 123.81. Okay? The rate times the selling price, or I'm sorry, the rate times the cost equals the markup. Go ahead and divide both sides by 2.15. It's going to cancel on this side. 123.81 divided by 2.15 tells me that my cost is $57.59. All right? Now, that's part A. In order to find part B, to find the selling price, all we do is take our cost of $57.59 and we add our markup of $123.81. So $57.59 plus $123.81 is $181.40. All right? No problems. Let's go ahead. Let's try questions 5 through 8. Go ahead and take a few minutes to do these. Press pause while you're working them. Play to resume. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's look at this. Pretty simple stuff. The markup based on cost is 95%. The markup is $1.90. So we set it up 0.95 x equals $1.90. Divide both sides by 0.95. And you get x equals 2. Okay? So now just take 2 plus $1.90 and you get $3.90. That's part B. This is part A. Okay? Now, number 6, part A. Markup based on cost is 425%. The markup is 173.85. So we have 4.25x equals 173.85. Divide both sides by 4.25. Should get x equals, plug it in the calculator real fast, 173.85 divided by 4.25 is 40.91. Okay. Part B, 40.91 plus 173.85 . 73.85 is 214.76. All right. Now, let's see. Got room for number 7 here. Number 7A comes first, not B. 0.8x equals 35.35. Divide both by 0.8. X equals 44.19. Take 44.19 plus 35.35. And you get 79.54. Okay? All right, I need to minimize these in order to work the next set. Well, it won't let me grab it. Just want part of it. There we go. That'll work. Okay. And finally, number 8A says markup is 125%, so 1.25x equals 87.50. Divide both sides by 1.25. X equals 70. Now for part B, 70 plus 87.50 should get 157.50 as your answer. All right? So, here is your assignment. It's lesson 15.7, page 574, 1 through 26, and 30. Get busy. Lord Dog Z out.